coffee. Please don't be so upset, Shom. See, you have strived emotionally for the modaks for so long. Am I right? But has that benefited you? It hasn't. And that is why you contacted me to your team, Shom. Do you remember that? Anyway, Sid still hasn't informed the police, so that means he will hide the whole matter from everyone. This is what I feel. And thank God Aditya Agrawal can't be contacted either. He's out of the country.
I'll leave now, Torsha.
At least have the coffee. Look, Shom, even my mental condition isn't that great. Mom isn't here either. But does that mean we will concede like that? And Shom, thank you so much. You saved me in front of Sid, or else Sid would have hated me more. Okay, Shom, can't we think of another way out?
No, Torsha. Nothing can be done now. I would need to live in harmony with my family again, so that Siddharth can at least think that I am feeling regret. I know my brother. Even after a few days, he can take up this case again. We can't plan anything against Mithai at the moment, Torsha. I'll leave. I'll contact you later depending on the circumstances. Oh, Torsha. Be careful and please keep your calm. Think a bit before saying something somewhere. Bye.
Did Shom return? What happened again, Shom?
Can I come in, please?
Come? Since when did you start asking for permission to enter my house?
Since the time you have ended our friendship, Tess. Look, Tess, I didn't come here to interrogate you. I know Shom just left a few minutes earlier. I just came to warn you about something, Tess. Our family business, Mithai, and my family. Please make sure you do not do wrong to these three in any way. It's a request. It took a lot for me to calm down. I could have informed the police quickly, but I didn't do that, Tess. As I didn't want to make this awful matter even muddier. And Tess, inform Shom one thing, okay? I will never be able to break my relationship with him. He was my elder brother, and he'll always be my elder brother.
Did you come here to say this? Okay, Sid. I hold no value to you, right?
You held a lot of value, Tess. And you know this pretty well too. You were the first person I used to turn to with all my problems. But you are the one who ruined that position, Tess. I respect your emotions and feelings too, but unfortunately I could never return your love as I don't believe in love myself, so I could not enter into any relationship with you. But you couldn't take it gracefully. And in the needless quest of belittling Mithai, trapping Mithai, you have reduced your own stature, Tess.
Was I like this earlier, Sid? You tell me. You are the one responsible for this downfall, Sid. You are responsible. At least, once you could have gone into a fake relationship, just like you are in a false relationship with Mithai for days. You are enjoying that too. You might have even accepted that. Look, Sid, I'm no less than you in anything. Still, I'm losing every day. Will you tell me one thing? What did you see in Mithai that you didn't see in me?
There's no answer to the silly observation of yours, but the question you asked me, what I saw in Mithai that I didn't see it in you. The answer is honesty, Tess. Honesty. Mithai is a very pure-hearted person. Very pure-hearted. Grandpa noticed that and Grandpa didn't falter. Anyway, I'm leaving now. Tess, if you considered that, then it would be easier for you and me. Don't forget that. I'll see you.
Cookie, are all the preparations done? It's almost time for my grandson to return.
Hey, Appa, have you glammed up Mithai?
Everything is being done, Dad. But you tell your grandson how necessary it is to go through these wedding rituals. He will blast on seeing all this. Such a weird guy he is.
Oh man, he's not just any random man. He is Mr. Bitterguard. He ought to be a little weird, but he is pure gold. I will explain the wedding thing to him. Don't worry.
But where are the garlands? I can't see them anywhere.
Mom, Rajiv and Ratu left so long ago to get the garlands. They have still not returned. And the priest is already here. He's in the temple for a bit.
Oh no. Sulata, hurry up and grind the sandal. I will go to the temple. I have asked the priest to conduct the daily evening prayers wonderfully today. After all, it's a wedding.
Yeah.
We are ready. Mithai is ready too.
Wow.
Oh my! Brother Sid is still out. All of you rush a lot. Do you know that? The makeup needed to be done correctly. We will take pictures, right?
Yes, that's true, but where is the photographer?
Present. Brother Rajiv has given me this responsibility today.
But where is Rajiv? Will he bring the garlands after the wedding is over?
Here it
Present!
is. The
Garlands
garlands are here.
present!
Take it.
Grandpa,
Yes,
did you
yes.
see that? Your granddaughter doesn't leave any chance. But unfortunately, the groom isn't here and she's creating a scene about garlands. Tell me, what's the need for these taunts?
Brother Rajiv, please don't fight now. This is a happy occasion, okay?
Oh my, look who's talking. So, brother, are we the ones who fight? What about the other day? What did we witness? Anyway, let's not discuss it for now. Grandpa, please call
Yes?
Siddharth now, else the opportune moment will pass.
Yes, yeah. We need to call him.
There he is. Come, Siddharth, come.
What is all this? What's the reason for all these preparations?
Why? For your wedding, grandson?
Wedding. No, I don't get it. What's the need for sudden wedding preparations?
Dad, please ask him to talk less. Just tell him that he must silently put the garland around Mithai's neck today. We won't listen to any excuses or
No,
arguments.
just a second, Aunt. What are you guys even doing? What's the need to do these wedding rituals now?
Wait, grandson. All of us know that you have accepted the marriage, right? Is that right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Absolutely right. He wouldn't have come back from Singapore on hearing Mithai is in danger. Right?
That's ridiculous, Ratul. How's the marriage related to that?
Oh, there's no link. So, Sid, have you come like this for anyone so far?
Aunt, you know, I came here because all of you were in trouble. Would I need to get married for that now?
Dad, didn't I tell you? He will pull some excuse. He shouldn't be allowed to talk so much. Hey Nanda, why are you standing like that? Go get Mithai ready and bring her here. But first we will exchange the garlands and then everything else.
Exactly. Listen, grandson. Your wedding occurred under extraordinary circumstances, right? That's why we will get you married today following all the rituals. See, Mithai has been cleared of all the allegations. You two have returned from abroad, so now, even if it's hard, please get married following the rituals just for our satisfaction. Let us celebrate! Rajiv Kumar, provide him with some enthusiasm.
Yeah, Grandpa, I told you. Am I a working man? Let Siddharth get married once. You will see how I make the celebratory tune. Listen, Siddharth, please don't deprive us of this pleasure, okay? Nanda, don't just stand there. Go. Get Mithai ready and bring her here.
Yes,
Come.
Come on.
Now what? I never told anyone that I signed the divorce acknowledgement paper before leaving for Singapore. I thought I would never return. I was supposed to inform everything from there. What will I tell everyone now? I'll again do a ritual? I can't torture Mithai continuously like this. I was saying I must go to Singapore by tomorrow evening's flight for an office project. This file has the divorce acknowledgement paper. If you want, you can submit it in the court.
Hey Mithai, Sid is downstairs. Hurry up, you must be there on time. You will put the garland on your husband. The priest is here. Come, let's go.
Hey, Mithai, what is up with you? You are not so lively for the last 2 days. Are you sad? Tell us, Mithai. Or are you angry with someone?
Angry? Who would I be angry with, Sister Shri? And who would even understand Mithai's
I got
pride?
it. You know, Mithai, recently I can understand these feelings quite well. You're angry with brother Sid, right? And Sid didn't even realize that. I know that all guys are the same. For example, this Rudra. I messaged him so much, but he has yet to reply. I too feel so bad. I feel hurt too. Hey, and you started again. Oh man, keep your Rudra to yourself. That poor guy becomes so uncomfortable because of you.
Mithai? What happened? Tell me, why are you so tensed?
No, I was wondering, Sister Shri, your brother doesn't believe in all these rituals. Why are you dragging him in all this?
Mithai, don't you worry about those weird thoughts that Sid had. He accepted the marriage before leaving for Singapore. So why won't he believe in all these rituals? Just too much. Hey Shri, bring Mithai downstairs. I'm going downstairs. And Nipa? What will you do? Will you stay here or go downstairs? Look, Nipa. Rudra will be here today. Keep yourself in check in front of everyone. Else we would be in trouble. Here, are you listening to me? Why won't I? But Nanda, you cannot control yourself when you are in love. But why none of you understand that?
Hey, Mithai, what file is that? Sid will get mad at seeing that.
Don't take that, Sister Shri. I just remembered that I need to move it.
What happened? What file is that? Why are you looking at these files right now?
Just a second. Oh my. Hey, Mithai, these are divorce papers. Why are they here? Now I understand why Mithai is looking so sad and low. Siddharth still needed to sign the acknowledgement papers. Why are you fussing over them so much? When did Sid sign the acknowledgement papers, Mithai?
What are you saying, Shri? Leave all this as of now. All the nonsensical discussions are being held right now.
Nanda? Oof, what are you girls doing? I'm shocked by your actions. Does it take so much time to bring Mithai?
Aunt Appa? Siddharth had denied signing the divorce acknowledgement papers, didn't he?
Yes, he did.
Then can you tell me, where did this sign come from? Hey, Mithai, tell me something. Did Siddharth sign before leaving for Singapore or after coming back? What is your plan? Tell me.
Mithai can't tell you anything, Sister Shri. I can only tell you to avoid all this marriage and stuff today. There is no need to tell anyone anything, please.
Why won't we say anything? Siddharth has already broken off the marriage. Mithai, you guys took such a big decision and didn't think it was necessary to tell anyone. Tell me. And we believe Siddharth had accepted the marriage before leaving.
Mother, don't get so upset. I understood what had happened. Sid must have tried to escape to Singapore. But was he able to? Mother, it isn't so easy to deny the bond of marriage. Look, he had to come back at the end to save Mithai. And one such thing doesn't change anything, Mother. Hey, Mithai, don't you understand? This marriage happened because of Lord's will. No one can break this marriage. No one can break this marriage. Look, Mother, without knowing anything, we had prepared all this for both of them. Exactly. Mithai? You smiled once? See, brother Sid might have thought earlier to dissolve the marriage, but he might not be thinking that right now. What has he done for you after returning from Singapore, do you know?
What is the meaning of all this? Aunt Appa? Mithai won't say anything, but I have just one question. If Siddharth had signed the papers before leaving for Singapore, then why didn't he inform everyone? How did we learn everything today if we had known everything earlier? Could Mithai have handled everything alone?
This is the exact question I would ask him. When he took such a huge decision, why didn't he have the courage to tell everyone about that? Did he put Mithai at the forefront to deal with everything? Wow. This is different from Siddharth's character. A daring, brave, and so straightforward guy like him did something like this? And when he did sign, why is this paper here? Why didn't he submit it in court then? He needs to answer all of that today. That too in front of everyone.